Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to understand transaction history and logs in Green Bitcoin application, which is crucial for managing your Bitcoin. The app provides detailed record of all your transactions, including both incoming and outgoing transactions, along with useful information such as fees, confirmation, and address involved. Open the application and log in using your credentials. On the home screen, you can access the wallet history through the main dashboard. There are three types of transaction. One is incoming, outgoing, and unconfirmed. Incoming transaction where Bitcoin is sent to your wallet, and outgoing transaction is sent from your wallet. Transactions that are pending on Bitcoin network and have not yet been confirmed are unconfirmed transactions. Each transaction is assigned a unique TX ID. This is long string of letter and number that can serve as transaction reference. You can click or tap on the transaction ID to view the transaction on the Block Explorer, which shows its status and detail on Bitcoin blockchain. You can also see the date and time of your transaction. For each transaction, the amount of Bitcoin involved is shown. Incoming transaction displays the amount you have received, and outgoing transaction shows the amount sent and the transaction fee that is deducted. The Bitcoin address of the sender for incoming transaction or the recipient for outgoing transaction are shown in the history. You can copy or view the address to view where funds are going or coming from. There are also confirmation status. The transaction is broadcast to blockchain network but has yet to receive any confirmation after unconfirmed transaction. Once a transaction is included in block or the blockchain, it will show a confirmation count. Typically, 6 confirmations are considered final in most cases. So that is how you can understand transaction history and logs in Green Bitcoin wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.